In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the Clipboard icon at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back this arrow at the top left one. Finally, to use it, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it next to Clipboard icon at the top. If you want to paste it later on, you need to tap on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, click on the sentence that you wish to pin and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, you can always delete it by tapping on the same pen, tapping on your sentence and choosing pin icon instead of a pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!